We now come to the second internet marketing core strategy we'll look at, paid placement. Once again, we'll execute a search in one of the major search engines, this time using Yahoo as an example. Above and to the right of the main organic results is a different kind of search listing. These are called paid placements, and as their name suggests, their owners pay to have these modest, text-based listings appear in the search engine results page when the related words or phrases are searched. Each time their ad is clicked by a search engine user and the user is transported to their web page, the search engine companies, Yahoo or Google, charge the advertiser a fee. These pay-per-click charges are largely determined by a bidding system. Generally, the more you pay, the higher you rank in the paid placement listings. It is extremely flexible, effective, and responsive, and it's these qualities that make paid placement the guerrilla marketing technique of internet marketing strategies.
Paid placement, or pay-per-click as an approach, is one of the most important tools and weapons in our hand, which directly benefit the client very, 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 very quickly. First of all, the ability to define and start and conduct a campaign within hours is absolutely unique.
For example, we have a customer that sells swimming pool heaters, and we had built his new website for him. He was very, very happy. But he said, look, my period of business is now, it's kind of May to September. I won't sell anything before and I won't sell anything after. We were able to set him up a paid positioning campaign, very, very focused to the product he was selling, exactly for the season in which his market was at its most. And he had a tremendous return.
Very, very effective at getting quick results. Oftentimes we work with our clients and the long-term plan is search engine optimization. But in order to drive immediate revenue and immediate business, we set them up on pay-per-click sponsored link marketing campaigns.
I can geo-target, I can have it show up only in my local market, I can have it show up in my local community, I can have it show up in the region of the country that I'm in, target to older people, older demographics, younger demographics. We can also put this up Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. We can put it up from 5 to 6 in the afternoon on Saturday. We can put it up only on weekends. We can put it up Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We can put it up and buy first place for 300 phrases for 1 hour, then take it down. You cannot target any kind of advertising that I know of in the world except this way with this very laser targeted marketing.
Well, if you're doing pay-per-click marketing, imagine what you do whenever you go out and you're searching for something. You type in a key phrase, let's say you're looking for golf clubs, and now at the top of the search results you see golf clubs. Well, there's what we call the happy clicker. The happy clicker just likes to go in and just start clicking on stuff. And the person at the top is almost always going to get the first click. But the happy clicker isn't really out to buy something at this point. The happy clicker is just out browsing around. So if you have a limited pay-per-click budget, you don't want your budget drained by the happy clicker. So I like to have my clients either in the second to the 7th position, somewhere in that area. That tells me that the person who's clicking on the ad has actually taken the time to read the ad and determine if this is what they're looking for.
Consequently, we're going to get you as best we can on that first page in paid search above the fold, but not number 1. So when people come do that search and they come to that first search engine results page, they'll get exposure to you, but you won't be paying 3 times what you need to.
If you put together an internet marketing system where you have paid advertising feeding into a converting website, using web analytics you can calculate your cost per conversion and your return on investment, and then it's about how much money do you want to make. Yeah, because if you know that by spending £1,000 you're going to sell 10 products, if it's a big market, if you spend £2,000 you can sell 20 products, and there's not many other forms of marketing where you can achieve that kind of thing.
I tell you what, there's a lot to that paid listing ad. First of all, we got to realize that really good copywriters make over $100 an hour. And because you're paying per click, it's extremely critical that copy is right on target. You want to encourage those people who are going to buy. You want to discourage those people who are the, quote, tire kickers.
The analogy I use, it's like the bouncer at the nightclub. You can come in, you stay out. Keep in mind, up to that point, you haven't paid anything. Until they click on you, you haven't paid anything. So it's worth your while to write a professional ad to keep looky-loos out, because you don't want to pay for them, and to make it enticing for the people who are destined to be your clients. So a critical error is the way ads are often written. Just, I want more clicks. Well, no, you don't want more clicks. You want more conversions. And that starts with the quality of the traffic you get.
Split testing is a very simple method to find out which ad or which campaign or which copy of the ad works best and do the appropriate adjustments.
We write 2 ads, Google serves them up, rotating them back and forth, back and forth. At the end of a week or 2, we have a winner. That winner stays, we rewrite the second ad again, and we do it again. And we do it again, and we do it again. We do it the best we can, and then we run with it.
Paid placement is like any aspect of internet marketing. It has tremendous potential and power in the right hands. A WSI consultant experienced in internet marketing can drive a paid placement program to the heights of success for your organization. However, in the hands of the inexperienced, this strategy can result in missed opportunities, or worse.
The search engines are very, very good at really maximizing the return that they get on any budget that you will put to it. So they will use every opportunity to try and show your advertisement to get you a visitor. But really that might not be a qualified targeted lead. It's very, very easy to spend an awful lot of money on paid advertising that doesn't give you a return.
The proper keyword analysis is a very time-consuming and very complicated process. But the result of the keyword analysis, if this step is done wrong, everything else will not be perfect. So this is one of the most important steps, because everything else can be adjusted. If we go after a wrong key phrase, then all the efforts will not be as expected.
I think they have an idea of how it works fundamentally, but to execute it at a high level, to truly manage it correctly, it takes a lot of time and a lot of skills, because quite often most people who get in and do it, they get some action on the site, but they're paying way too much. They're bringing in the wrong type of traffic, doesn't convert, and that really drives their costs and throws their ROI way out of whack. So when you bring someone in who's, you know, an internet specialist, internet marketing specialist, who can break it down, manage the campaign, you see typically your cost per click go down and the number of clicks go up. So, and typically they're more focused on words or word phrases that convert. That's the only way to go.